Hi, hello, this is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Bitcoin. Once again, thank you for your continued support, okay? Really do appreciate it. I hope you had a good Friday and I hope we have a good weekend, okay? As you can see, Bitcoin's breaking down a little bit more, isn't it? And our target has been met out, that head and shoulders. Look at that, boom, bang on. Do you see that? 34836. Now, we've got another breakdown target, as you're fully aware, in yesterday's video. If you do start to see Bitcoin roll over anymore, like I said to you, put some cheeky bits on this particular target right here, which is the target. We'll look at the 4-hourly time frame, which is the target out of this rising wedge which we gave you towards the start of the week, right there. Okay, the rising wedge target down here, 32,885. So do anticipate that this level needs to hold, okay, because obviously if it doesn't, then you're going to start to roll and potentially lose this low here, which I've not given you. Why have I not given you that low? Okay, I need to give you that low. You can't see Bitcoin roll over and lose that low, okay? Because if it does start to lose that low, eventually going deeper and you're rolling even more, and you could lose the support, okay, of this low and then come down to this 28k and then cascade down to 24k. And everything's a possibility, but there is a sort of pattern that's emerging. If you do start to roll and lose this particular level right now, for 34836, then do anticipate a 32885 bounce for Bitcoin, and that would actually create that higher low that we'd spoke about yesterday in the Bitcoin update for Bitcoin. Now there is a couple of patterns that are emerging for Bitcoin. Okay, on the hourly time frame, on the daily time frame, sorry. There is a bit of a bear pennant that's forming right here for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you on a different chart. So on the daily time frame here, then you can see we're really overextended on the EMAs, aren't we? But on the daily time frame, there is a bit of a horizontal that's forming, okay? And you've got this sort of horizontal triangle. Do you see this? Something like this. Ignore the wicks at the moment, so like that. Okay, so yeah, horizontal. Now, what I do like about this particular pattern is the wicks. I do like the wicks because it shows enormous support. And I'm going to show you exactly where this happened before as well, by the way. So you can see enormous support on the wicks, okay? But you've come down, there is a horizontal going on here. So if you do start to see Bitcoin pick up and bounce and do something like this, do anticipate there'll be a break here for Bitcoin quite relatively soon where, you know, it'll either come up or it'll go down, obviously. Now I want to show you where this has happened before. Okay, so remember this particular pattern right now, horizontal triangle. Effectively, I've seen a lot of people saying that this is a bit of a bear pennant, and you can see that if it was to break down at this point or wherever in the apex like that, this is where you could see it go down to the previous swing high of the previous bull market around about 20k. Do you see that? So that would be a massive bear move right there, wouldn't it? You'd see you under the 55 EMA on the weekly and everything. So at the moment you can see Bitcoin is sort of hugging this resistance support line, isn't it? This is where you may see the wick down off that low that I'm on about, okay, that 32, and then pick up and come back up. Personally, I'm bullish. You know, I'm still bullish because we're overextended on the EMAs here, and like anything that gets overextended, it always comes back to it to test it as support or resistance. And you can see right now you've not come back to it to test it as resistance, so I'm a little bit biased to the actual break to the upside here. I think we may be bottoming out, but what do I know, okay? But right, I want to show you right near last year for Bitcoin in 2020 was obviously the Corona dump. And right there you got the Corona dump, and this could have been anticipated as a bear pennant, like a lot of people are saying. Okay, you could look at this like a continuation pattern like that, but what you've got here, which shows strength, is the buying pressure at the bottom, the wicks. Now take note of the wicks, because when that actually broke out, okay, it broke out like this, so it was more of a horizontal than a bear pennant, okay, and you can see that when it broke out, boom, it came up and met the target. Do you see that? The horizontal got back above the EMAs, back tested as support. See you later, alligator. We're out of here for Bitcoin. So could we be going through something like that as well? And you got the signal here. The signal is the strength of the bulls, effectively, or the buying pressure with the wicks at the bottom pushing the price up. Okay, they're greater than the downwards pressure. Do you see that? So today, if we'd have a little wick down, okay, to that particular price target that I'm on about, have a little wick down below this level of support right now, come back up, break out of this, get back above the EMAs, see you later, we're bottomed out, we're off to the beach, okay? That's what I'm anticipating, that's what I'm hoping for Bitcoin. But like I've just shown you, if you was to lose this and it is a bear pennant, then do anticipate that breakdown towards 20k for Bitcoin, okay? A continuation pattern. But if it is a horizontal, okay, no one's got a crystal ball, no one knows exactly what it is. It's all guesswork, this is technical analysis. But if it is a horizontal and we do break to the upside, okay, which would be absolutely amazing, wouldn't it? That's where you're going to look at like the mid 45k mark breakout for Bitcoin on the daily time frame, and that would get you back above the EMAs, back to support, see you later alligator. We've reversed the trend here, we've bottomed out, see you later. Just like down here when everyone was mega bearish on Bitcoin, oh no, it's going to zero, but it broke out of the horizontal. It wasn't a bear flag, it wasn't a continuation pattern, it was a reversal pattern. It broke up to the upside, topped out, rolled over, see you later. Are we looking at a very similar prospect for Bitcoin like that? Okay, where we're going to wick down off that support level that I've given you, or we may have even bottomed out right now. I'm going to make you aware of that. But the reason we've got that target that I've given you on the hourly is because that's the rising, on the 4 hourly, sorry, that's the rising wedge target of the fallback, which is around about 43k, isn't it? Yeah, 33k, sorry. So do anticipate that. Come on, Bitcoin. Play the cards right. Do the business for us. So that's a quick little update for Bitcoin for you today. I'm so busy today, I don't know how I'm going to get any time to do any of the other videos, but I will try. So yeah, that's Bitcoin in a nutshell. Let's stay positive. Let's see that wick down. Let's see that support come back in for Bitcoin. Let's see this bottom them out. And because like I said to you, in May, sell and go away. In June, the boom will resume. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Let's have a good weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.